Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete text messages on your iPhone. Now, open up the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap on a conversation, in this case, just with myself. Let's delete a specific message or photo. To do that, we are going to press and hold on the message. You can see if I swipe down, there is a More option at the bottom. Tap on More at the bottom. This will allow you to select one or multiple messages. I can select this text message as well. Tap on the trash can icon at the bottom left. Tap on Delete Messages. This will delete that message. However, if you wanted to, you can delete an entire conversation. To do that, tap on the back arrow at the top left. On the conversation, take your finger and swipe to the left. Tap on the trash can icon in red. Tap on the delete option. However, it is not now fully deleted, it's just in your deleted folder. We can also permanently delete it. To do that, tap on the filter icon at the top right. Tap on Recently Deleted. There is that conversation. To fully delete it, tap on the little circle next to it, and then tap on the trash can icon at the bottom right. And it will say this will permanently delete all of these messages from your phone. If you're ready, tap on Delete Messages. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.